Hi, this is our channel Clashofclans. Today I'm going to show you Town 13 Blizzard lavaloon attack. Let's get into the video. In today army compositions are 4 lavaloon, 27 loons, 12 minions and 3 on each headhunters and archers, or you can also use sneaky goblins either ice-on. Hero equipment on King use quick boots with the rage and warden ability on Eternal Tome and Rage Gem, and Q and RC on the default one. In Blizzard is used to do clear certain commandments or the heavy type defense like Eagle Artillery, Town Guard, the Infernos or the Scatter Sword. You use King and Q to clear the enemy CC troops and create a path of lavaloon. Then use lavaloon to wipe out the base. Let me show the example. Start with the lava hound to tank, then drop a blimp on behind the lava hound. Then you drop a blimp on the best value you get on that base or the core of the base. Then use invisibility spell on every 4 seconds on super wizard and use rage spell to clear the commandments more faster.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side.
And you need to clear enemy CC troops with your heroes. After a blizzard, you drop one ice golem to tank, then drop a king and queen to clear the enemy CC troops and create a path of lavaloon.
What's left, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands.
Once path is created, then you drop a lava onto tank, then drop a loons with the warden and RC2 entering the base.
Through the highways, and on we'll go.
And use haste spell on entering compartment. You need to clear enemy Q and RC before the lavaloon. If any one of this is left, you use headhunters to clear the remaining either Q or RC. And use free spell on splash type defense like Scatter Sword, multiple Inferno or the Eagle Artillery or the enemy Town Guard. And make sure use the warden ability on enemy Town Guard, or if you clear the enemy Town Guard with your heroes, then you use warden ability on core of the base. Then use minions to clear the remaining buildings. Mistake of this strategy. Now I am to tell what mistake you should make this strategy. First thing, if you miss the timing of invisibility spell on super wizard, it will be the biggest mistake of this strategy. Second thing, if you not clear enemy CC troops either Q or RC with your heroes, it will be attack your lavaloon in the middle of the attack. If you miss the warden ability on Town Guard, all loons are vanished out by the Town Guard blast. Now I am show you another attacks for easy to understand.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll you